losing.
You only lose if you stop fighting. But you can't save everyone, Jeff. You're just gonna have to accept that.
We need to go hard at the 100.
You sure it's them?
Who else will be dealing in Freeland?
The 100 have got their hands in everything. We could waste a lot of time going after the wrong part of their business.
I know all the street-level guys, but I don't know any of the higher-ups.
I'll reach out to my contacts.
Okay. After I check in with the family, I'm gonna hit the streets tonight, see what I can find out.
Sounds like a full night.
Come on, man.
What'd you hear?
Well, what? I told you I don't know nothing.
Where can I find?
I told you I don't know nothing about no green light.
Yeah, well, you better tell me something. Because I ain't in the best of moods, bro.
Snitches get.
Snitches get what? Who do you work for?
I ain't telling you nothing.
All right. I can do this all night. So one way or the other, you gonna tell me something.
Okay. 2 bits.
2 bits?
I know it sounds like a 70s slave name, but that's what he go by.
Where can I find?
Kenner's tap room on 7th.
All right. Say goodnight.
Last night I saw him, he was black. He said, this is for the street. Black Lightning's back.
Tobias.